Welcome to an extraordinary world where art meets nature. Today we dive into the deep lane of unique natural animals, amazing fusion of creativity and craftsmanship. These incredible creations are the brainchild of master artisans who possess an unparalleled ability to break life into cold, hard matter. As we embark on the visual journey, prepare to be captivated by an array of majestic beings. These metal animals is meticulously crafted with precision and attention to detail, ensuring that every curve, every contour, and every feature is flawlessly replicated. These masterpieces stand as testament to the extraordinary talent and patience of their creator. From the depths of the ocean to the vastness of the savanna, these metal animals bring a touch of magic to any space they inhabit, either its life size line, excluding strength, and the ability of the graceful dolphin frozen in a moment of external playfulness. These clusters command attention to the spark of imagination. What sets these metal animals apart is not just their remarkable lifelike appearance, but also their ability to withstand the test of time, crafted from durable and weather-resistant materials. These clusters can brave the element proudly during gardens, parks, and public places around the world. But it's not just the physical beauty of these natural animals that mirrors. It is the stories that tell each cluster carries with its unique narrative, a late waiting to be discovered from mythical creatures inspired by assistant folklore to modern day worldwide. These metal animals capture the sense of their real life counterpart while executing a touch of artistic interpretation. The process behind brings these metal animals to life is nothing short of extraordinary. It starts with a vision, a concept that germinates in the mind of its artist. With skillful hand and keen eyes, the artist breathes life into sheet of metal, meticulous shaping and sculpting unto a sense of the animal emerges into a dance between imagination and techniques, resulting in creation that blur the lines between art and reality. Once a sculpture take from its undergoes a meticulous finishing process. Every brushstroke, every every painter, and every detail is carefully applied, enhancing the texture, color, and character of the animals. The final result is a breathtaking piece of art that resonate with viewers on the profound level, evoking emotion and inspiring awe. These master animals transcend boundaries, bridging the gap between the nature world and the realm of art. They provide a unique opportunity for us to connect with the beauty of nature is the tangible and lasting way. With their silent appearance, they remind us of the wonder that exists beyond our everyday life, inviting us to appreciate the magnificence and diversity of the animal kingdom. So, whether you find yourself is the bustling city or a serene countryside, keep an eye out for these remarkable metal creatures. Let them ignite your imagination, spark conversion, and serve as a reminder of the remarkable artisans' talent that exists in our world.